Hello students, we are into our quantity food production second year practical. We will be doing a Punjabi menu today. In the Punjabi menu, we will be starting off with a soup. We have chicken shorba. In the last practical, we saw yakhni shorba, which was a Kashmiri soup. The difference between yakhni shorba and chicken shorba is basic, that the yakhni shorba was made with mutton bones, while we will be making the chicken shorba with chicken bones. And yakhni shorba was finished off with a little bit of curd for the flavoring, and chicken shorba will be thickened a little bit with cooking cream in the end. The flavorings are mostly same. It would be flavored with ginger, garlic, coriander, green chilies. Then we have aloo chole ki chaat in appetizers. It will be boiled potatoes with boiled chickpeas. They would be mixed together with ginger, garlic, tamarind sauce, mint chutney, pudina chutney, and it would be topped off with a shave which is there. In main course we have murg makhan wala. Murg makhan wala is a butter chicken, Punjabi style butter chicken which is prepared. In that they use tandoori chicken normally in preparations. Murg makhan wala is the basic butter chicken which is prepared in a normal Punjabi household. It is not prepared with any fancy ingredients as we learned in our theory lectures. It is prepared with mustard oil which is grown in abundance in Punjab. So we'll be doing that. We have makhni dal. Makhni dal is also known as maki dal in Punjab. It is made with kidney beans. It is made with urad dal, akha urad dal, and it is finished off with a makhni gravy, which is the basic gravy which we saw. Then we have makke ki roti to accompany it with. Makkya is corn, whole corns. The flour of this corn is used to make a dough, and rotis are made out of it. As we all know, the famous product makke di roti, sarson ka saag. We are just replacing the sarson ka saag with maki dal or makhni dal which is there. And to end it all with, we have firni in dessert. Firni is a basic kheer which is made with rice, milk and cream, and it is topped up with all the dry fruits which are there. So students, we have marinated the chicken leg piece with ginger, garlic, fresh coriander, masala powders and a little bit of cream. We will marinate it for 1 hour to 1.5 hours, and we will keep it in the oven to cook it. Now we will be starting with our dal makhani. On one side, as you can see, the tomatoes are getting cooked for the basic makhani sauce which is there. We will be adding whole garam masalas. We will be adding ginger, garlic chopped. We will be adding fresh green chili slit, chopped onions to it, salt, red chili powder, dhana powder, jeera powder. We cook it a little bit. We'll add fresh coriander leaves which are chopped, and then we will be adding whole urad dal and whole kidney beans which are soaked overnight, and then them a little bit and then add freshly chopped tomatoes to it. We'll adjust the masalas and the seasoning as we are adding ingredients. The seasoning will chat. And now after the tomatoes, we will add stock water to it. We'll bring it to one boil and we will put it for simmering. After that, we will start with chicken shorba. We'll be adding oil, whole khada masala to it. We'll be adding chicken bones to it. We'll give them a little bit of color, and then we will add stock water to it. So the flavorings for this is ginger, garlic, green chili, coriander, garam masala and kitchen king masala. So after it gets a little bit of color, we'll add stock water to it. Meanwhile, we just check on the makhni sauce which is getting prepared. We will again bring one boil to it, and then we will keep it for simmering at the back range. It is very important to keep checking on the makhni gravy. It should not stick at the base. As you can see on the other side, the dal makhni is getting boiled, so we will reduce the flame and we will put it on simmering. We will adjust the seasonings for the chicken shorba now. As you can see, the color has changed. It has come to a boil. We will switch it off. We have shifted it back. This is the atta for makke ki roti. We have taken maize flour and we have added water, ghee to it and a little bit of ajwain to it, and we have made a soft dough out of it which will be cooked on a pan. Now we will heat oil. We will add a little bit of tamarind sauce which we have diluted, and then we will make a sant chutney out of it for the aloo chole chaat that we are going to make. Once this comes to a boil, we will thicken it and we will keep it aside. We have also made a mint and coriander chutney for the aloo chole chaat. On the other side, we have strained our chicken shorba. We have removed the bones as all the flavor has come out, and we will again keep it for simmering. Now we will start with the firni. We have heated oil. After heating the oil, we have added raisins, we have added kaju, and we have added magastari to it. We have added the soaked rice. We saute it a little bit. We make sure it does not stick at the base, but it gets a roasted feel. And then we add the milk to it. We add 1:2 proportion. So if one portion of rice is there, we add 2 portions of milk to it. We add cardamom pods to it for flavoring, and we keep it for simmering. So the same strategy that we used for everything else, first we bring it to a boil and then we simmer. On the other hand, in the dal makhani, as you can see, we are mashing the dal for it to get thicken a little bit. So we have to mash it a little bit and keep it whole a little bit, so half and half. So the dal makhani is getting cooked on one side, the chicken shorba is getting simmered at other side, and we are finishing the dal makhani off now. We are adding the makhani sauce which we have prepared, a little bit of cream, and then we will plate it and we will garnish it with onions and mint and a little bit of cream. So this is our dal makhani. Now the firni is also ready. We have garnished it and kept it aside. This is the chicken shorba. Now this is the aloo chole chaat. We have added the soaked cooked chickpeas, the boiled potatoes. We have added all the masalas, tamarind chutney, mint chutney, fresh coriander, little bit of save, and we have plated it on a black plate for color appearance. And last but not the least, the murg makhan wala. We have taken pure ghee, which is very famous in local Punjab food, and then we have sauteed onions on it. We have added the roasted chicken which we had marinated, and we add a little bit of masalas to it to adjust the taste. Then we add the makhani sauce to it, which we have prepared. We add seasonings, fresh coriander, fresh mint, and a little bit of cream to top it with. And then we plate it and we garnish it with mint.